Hey, this is David with Junk Car Buyer Academy USA. Today we're going to talk about catalytic converters and identifying numbers, and let's dive in. So first we have here a catalytic converter that came off a Ford Explorer. This is what you call a man prize. Of course, the identifying numbers on this particular vehicle for the catalytic converters will be on the edges of the catalytic converter, as you can tell here, and over in here as well. And this particular converter right here is a double welded cat. They come together, and in some cases it comes with 4. And over here we have a Honda Accord, comes off a Honda Accord 2008. Typically it comes with 3 converters, and sometimes when you're identifying the cats, they go by the ridges. If it's a 3 ridge, or you turn it on the back, it's also 3 as well. Those are identifying numbers as far as marks. This here we have a Nissan Maximum, which is about $185, and this is an aftermarket converter. This is what you will run into if you're buying a particular vehicle from a customer. Of course, you check the vehicle, make sure you check the weld marks to make sure that it's not re-welded and beaded, as you can tell here. And if you look over here, this particular cat, how it's a straight cut and there's no weld marks, that lets you know the identifying numbers on the converter, also as well as it being an aftermarket converter. And here's another GMC cat where you can see the identifying numbers. This particular converter, even though it's small in size, it packs a big punch with the price for about 500 bucks. And this here comes off a F-250 or Econoline van Ford, typically the year 2000 to 2004. These range anywhere between $200 up to $1,200. Yes, that is real.